Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can submit a feedback in the Vistara application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the Vistara Help button. So in order to give feedback, you have to provide your name. You can provide your club Vistara ID, but that's not a requirement. You have to provide your email though, your mobile number. You can give the PNR, but again, that's optional. And then you have to give the feedback type. So if it's a complaint, a compliment, a general feedback, and so on. And then there's a further like feedback area thing that you have to provide, like if it's connected to airport services, cabin services, catering, and then another feedback category if it's cabin comfort or in-flight entertainment. So this will help the team to further improve their things. And then you can make a comment with the maximum 20,000 characters. And lastly, you have to agree to the terms and conditions, and then just type these to show that you're not a robot. And then just click on the submit button and your feedback is submitted. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.